What's up, gang? BMI back with another investing video for you guys. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. It's Sunday, so you know what that means. We've got a little bit of football and some chores going on and diving into the stock market. Listen, I come out and make videos about stocks that I like. Other people probably not gonna like them. Most people are not gonna be talking about them on the tubes. So I appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. It really does help the algorithm out. Before we get into these stock picks, you know I got to tell you guys that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. You guys do your own due diligence, do your own research. All right. Every stock that I'm going to tell you about, just go look it up and read up for yourselves. Go look at the charts for yourselves so that you can see, all right, before you make an investment. Let's get into it. I've got some stock picks for you guys, and I just want you guys to be ready for when the stock market opens. All right, that's my attempt at a dad joke today. OPEN, you know we got to talk about it. Open Door, top of the list once again. It's been at the top of the list for a long time. OPEN, $9.52. It had a bad day Friday, all right? It was down Friday, down 4%, but I just want everybody to keep in mind that this stock is still up 1,500% over the past 3 months, all right? This thing has come from 70 cents all the way to where it's at. It is near that 52-week high of $10.87, which I think we can get there. I really do think that Open Door can get to back to $10 Monday, so that's my target for it, $10 to $11. I think that once we get there, it could really take off. This thing could squeeze. The shorts are in it. I just want everybody to be cautious out there. September 30th, I think, could be a catalyst for the stock. The CFO, Christy Schwartz, I believe, takes effect. So not going to spend a lot of time on Open Door, but I do believe a lot of hype, and it's trending right now. More people are getting into this stock, but also more shorts. So just be careful. We'll see what happens next week. I'm excited. We definitely have been watching Open Door. Second stock that I have for you guys is STUB. STUB. This one might have flew by the radar for a lot of people. STUB was an IPO last week, and it's down. It did not do very well on its debut. $18.40, well below the IPO price, and down 10% on Friday. September 17th was when it debuted. So basically, since the IPO, the next 3 days it has just fallen. So for the past 3 days it has just fallen. That's all you have for the chart, right? It's down 21% the past 3 days since it's been listed. The market cap is $6 billion, and the price to earnings ratio on this thing is 75. So watch out for STUB. I'd like to get it cheaper here, closer to the $18. If I can get it even cheaper, I think that this could be a long-term play here. STUB, $18.40. All right, the next one that I have for you guys, and if y'all were in the live trading session, we were trading this one and watching this one. I was definitely alerting everybody to it. ZOOZ. I love this name. ZOOZ. Love the ticker. ZOOZ. ZOOZ is the ticker. $2.16. It was down 6% on Friday. Market cap of 35 million. Very small market cap here. 43 million in volume. So very interesting stock. The 52-week high is $9.27, and the 52-week low is 72 cents. So it's very interesting when on the chart. Go look at this thing on the chart. It just has this huge pop and then big drop here. This is an Israeli EV charging company. Very interesting though, because it's up 170% over the past 3 months from that 72 cent 52-week low. All right, so it's come up very quickly. It's also dropped very quickly, but the one reason why it's on my list is because 95% of their net proceeds are going into a Bitcoin treasury strategy. $180 million. It's all of their net proceeds, basically. And shareholders voted, everybody voted for this thing. And that is what is hot right now, is these Bitcoin strategies. So ZOOZ, I think, could be one to look out for. $2.16. If this thing drops any more, I'm definitely going to be scooping up some shares. So watch out for that one. ZOOZ. New Bitcoin strategy here. The next one is ASST. And this one's been really good. We've been able to trade this one as well. $4.15. It is the only one on the list that is green. I don't talk a lot about stocks that are up, but this one here, I like it. ASST up 12% on Friday. Market cap is 2.7 billion and 26 million shares traded in volume. 52-week high is almost $14, and another really low 52-week low on this one, 33 cents. Strive Asset Management. This is another Bitcoin strategy play here. Out of Dallas, Texas. So I just want you guys to be aware of this one, ASST. We've been getting some pretty nice trades in on it, and it is up, but if it falls, if it has some bad days, some red days, then watch out for this one. Put this one on your radar, ASST. It could really take off here from here. I think it could go higher, but it could also go lower, so just be cautious. And the next one we haven't talked about in a while, but they've been doing some good things, and I like the way the company is headed. All right, GNS, ticker symbol GNS. You guys have probably heard about this one, right? Genius Group. It's at 92 cents. I definitely like it if I could get it cheaper here. Down 5% on Friday. This is a China play. This is, you know, so be careful. But I think the Chinese stocks are going to be having a comeback here. A lot of them have been green, so the past week, so we'll see what happens next week. 52-week high on GNS is $1.92, so almost $2 there. You can see it's kind of in that sweet spot, and the 52-week low is 21 cents. Go look at this thing on the chart. Genius Group, the market cap is 77 million, so another low market cap here. The volume is 2 million. It's up 93% in the past 3 months. Really good news coming out for GNS. The company just purchased 1 million shares at 90 cents. So if this thing drops anywhere close to 90 cents, I feel very comfortable scooping up some shares here. And the company wants to own 10,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2025. That's my favorite little bit of news there for Genius Group. Definitely going to be watching this one. It could spike. It could go crazy. And not too far of a drop here, but just be careful. It could drop some more. All right, I don't think it's going to drop much though, because I think people are really starting to eyeball this thing again. It used to be a high play. I think people got burned on it, but it looks like investors are jumping back into it because it's becoming more popular and it's trending out there. People, more investors are talking about it. All right, GNS, watch out for that one. And the last one, if you guys made it this far, please give me a thumbs up on the videos and go check out the other picks that we have, because some of those are still good. But this one right here, Scholastic, interesting stock, ticker symbol SCHL. We've all heard about Scholastic. We all heard of the company, right? You had the books in school. $24.64. It's been having a rough past couple of days here, down 12%. It had bad earnings. All right, basically it had bad earnings. 52-week high is 34.18, and the 52-week low is below $16 at $15.77. Scholastic market cap is 607 million. The volume is 2 million. But the reason why I really like this stock for a long-term play especially is that they just announced a 20-cent dividend. So they just confirmed that. It's good news. This might be good news for next week. Investors might see this and pick up on it next week. We'll see if it drops from here. But if I could get it cheaper, I definitely like it. The dividend yield is 3.3%, and the price to earning ratio on this thing is just ridiculous. It's negative 549. So I think it is undervalued. If I could scoop up some shares closer to that 24, 23 range, I like that. So Scholastic, Genius, ASST, ZOOZ, STUB, and Open Door. Those are the stocks that we're watching going into next week. I think these all have a good opportunity to either buy in or get in now before they do pop. So hope that you guys make some money this week, and I'm going to try to get some more stock picks out there for you guys. We'll see you on the next video.